Hi everyone, my name is Juliana Cardillo, and this is my Community in Words and Pictures presentation. The community that I will be discussing in this presentation is Blackwood, New Jersey. Blackwood is a city located in South Jersey. It is located within Gloucester Township in Camden County, New Jersey. And here is a map of my community. In this presentation, I will be discussing demographic description of Blackwood, New Jersey. So I will discuss the population, race, gender, age distributions, crime, education, poverty, and religion. The total population of people living in Blackwood is 4,502. This number represents individuals living within the zip code 08012. Next is race and ethnic diversity. In Blackwood, 83.8% of people are white, 4.6% of people are Black or African American, 0% are American Indian, Alaska Native, 1.6% are other, and 6.9% are Hispanic or Latino. In Blackwood, the gender makeup is 50-50 for males and females. For age distributions, you have 25% people are 35 to 54 years old. 18% are 25 to 34 years old. 7% are 18 to 24 years old. 18% is 5 to 17 years old. 17% is 65 years and older and under 5 years. And 15% is 55 to 64 years old. Next, I will be discussing the crime rates in Blackwood. So, 1,921 crimes were reported in Blackwood, New Jersey during 2017. So the breakdown is as follows. Violent crime, 158. Murder, 2. Forcible rape, 0. Robbery, 50. Aggravated, 92. Property crime, 1,763. Burglary, 267. Larceny theft, 1,439. And motor vehicle theft, 58. For their crime rates, Blackwood received an A-. Here I provided information about Blackwood's Police Department. Blackwood's Police Department is the Gloucester Township Police Department. So the Gloucester Township Police Department responds to nearly 60,000 calls for service each year. The department consists of over 132 full-time sworn law enforcement officers, 35 special law enforcement officers, 15 telecommunicators, and 15 civilian employees. Here I provided a YouTube video for you to watch to get to know a little bit more about the Gloucester Township Police Department. Next, I will discuss the education in Blackwood, New Jersey. So Gloucester Township has the largest elementary K-8 school district in the state of New Jersey. The Gloucester Township Public School System serves students in kindergarten through 8th grade at 8 elementary schools, grades K through 5, and 3 middle schools, grades 6 to 8. Students in public school for 9th through 12th grades attend one of the 3 high schools that are part of the Black Horse Pike Regional School District. Gloucester Township is also home to 2 private schools and the Camden County College. So here, this graph represents educational status of adults in Blackwood. So this is for people who are 18 and older. So 80% of the population are high school graduates, 3% are attending college, and 17% are college graduates. Next, I will discuss poverty in Blackwood, New Jersey. So here is a graph representing poverty in Blackwood, New Jersey from age in females and males. This is from 2017. So 12.6% of the population in Blackwood, New Jersey live under the poverty line. The largest demographics living in poverty are females ages 25 to 34, followed by males ages 25 to 34. Next, I will discuss religion in Blackwood. So here I provided a picture of Our Lady of Hope Catholic Church in Blackwood. That is the church that I belong to. Next is a breakdown of the religion in Blackwood. So 48% of individuals practice no religion, 37% Catholic, 8% mainline Protestant, 0% other, 0% Orthodox, and 1% Black Protestant. Here I will discuss an overview of important institutions in my community. So here I will discuss formal institutions such as major employers, industries, and institutions, and I will also discuss informal institutions. So some formal institutions that are very popular in Blackwood are provided below. One of the biggest is the Gloucester Township Premium Outlets. These outlets just opened a few years ago and are a great source of revenue for the township. I also provided the picture of Home of the Tartans. That is the mascot for one of the high schools in Blackwood, Highland. I also provided two diners that are popular in Blackwood, the Meadows Diner and the Lamppost Diner. Wawa is also important in Blackwood. Almost on every street there's a Wawa. And then I provided two other sources of revenue. Coles Road Transportation Services, they are world renowned in Blackwood. Also, I provided a solar company that's up and running that was created in Blackwood called EMT Renewable Service. Some informal institutions that Blackwood offers is the Field of Dreams. The Field of Dreams is a baseball field for children who have some sort of disability. Also, Camden County College is world renowned, their Blackwood campus. I also showed a picture of Gloucester Township field hockey because Gloucester Township is known for their sports. Two big events that happen in Blackwood at Veterans Park is Gloucester Township Day and National Night Out. Those two pictures are provided. That's something that they do each year in Gloucester Township for all their residents. The Unforgotten Haven is also important in Blackwood. The Unforgotten Haven is a non-profit organization that helps with the homeless population, and it also helps individuals to overcome any barriers they might have. And I also provided a YouTube video discussing Gloucester Township as well. So my good community assessment of my community. So some key elements of a good community are safety, goods and services, relationship that binds citizens together, commonality of values and goals, whole person principle, predictability, a recognized place in the social structure, opportunities, and homogeneity. I feel as though my community compares to the elements of a good community because it really does provide all of these key elements in some sort of way. Picture below is my community, Valley Brook. Valley Brook is a community that is on Ron Jaworski's golf course. I feel like this community provides great safety. It also is a great community because we all have commonality. It is a recognized place in the social structure, and it provides great opportunities. The only downfall with, I feel like, Blackwood is the taxes are very high. And it's hard because there's some areas in Blackwood that are middle to upper class, but there's also many areas in Blackwood who are now becoming in lower class. And I feel like, especially with everything going on in the world right now, their taxes are very high. And it's hard for some people to have the opportunity to get the goods and services that they might need, or the opportunities they might need, because a lot of people in the community have some sort of barrier, whether it be a food insecurity, transportation insecurity, things like that. But overall, I feel like I do have a good community and I live in a great community.